मैंने तुमसे कहा था कि वह वहाँ नहीं जाएगा। I told you that he would not go there. I told you that he would not go there. हमें अपने बड़ों की इज्जत करना चाहिए। We should respect our elders. We should respect our elders. उन्हें अब तक आ जाना चाहिए था। They should have come by now. They should have come by now. मुझे पहले से ही पता था कि वही जीतेगी। I already knew that she would win. I already knew that she would win. क्या तुम वो हासिल कर पाए जो तुम चाहते थे? Could you achieve what you wanted? Could you achieve what you wanted? ना तो मैंने पूछा और ना तो उसने बताया। Neither I asked nor she told. Neither I asked nor she told. हालांकि मेरी तबीयत खराब थी तो भी मैंने काम किया। Even though I was ill, I worked. Even though I was ill, I worked. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है वह शादीशुदा है। As far as I know, she is married. As far as I know, she is married. जैसे ही वह आया मैं चला गया। The moment he came, I left. The moment he came, I left. हो सकता है यह अफवाह हो। It may be a rumor. It may be a rumor. मुझे आखिर तक कोशिश करना है। I have to try till the end. I have to try till the end. मैं उससे अक्सर मिलता था। I used to meet him quite often. I used to meet him quite often. तुमको उसकी हालत के बारे में सोचना चाहिए। You should think about his condition. You should think about his condition. मैं इस फैसले के खिलाफ हूँ। I am against this decision. I am against this decision. कल ओले पड़ सकते हैं। It might hail tomorrow. It might hail tomorrow. तुम्हारा क्या ख्याल है कौन जीतेगा? What do you think? Who will win? What do you think? Who will win?